I'll show you how to create the user account in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. In the Admin Center, go to Users and click Add User. Give your user a name and an email address. Then either let Microsoft generate the password automatically or create your own. Then click Next. Select the user's location and assign a product license if you want or need to. You can also create the user without the license and assign one later. Click Next. Choose User here if you just want to create a standard user account without any admin rights. On the Profile Info tab, you can add additional information to the user account if needed. Click Next. Then click Finish Adding. And that's it. The user has been created. Now you can print the user details or copy the username and password.